Previously on Pomo Bespoke.
And now the main event.
What's up, beautiful people? It's been a long time that I had one of these talking head videos where I just share with you guys what's going on in the workshop and what's going on in my life generally, and also find out what's happening with yours. Our last class on how to make Oxford shoes was very exciting and very rewarding. Reception was excellent. Quite a number of people have reached out to me privately and publicly, expressing the fact that they learned quite a bit from that course, and we are really very grateful to God for the opportunity of having made that class. People especially were quite excited about the insights that we gave relating to how to create lining for those Oxford boots. So that's it. The Oxford boots class is done, and we're moving on to the next thing that we scheduled for 2023, and that's Sneak Attack. Sneak Attack is going to be a very elaborate, comprehensive set of videos on how to make different kind of sneakers. So we'll have the Oxford sneakers, we'll have the Derby sneakers, we'll have the high ankle length boots type of sneakers, and then we would also create different ways of bottoming sneakers and all whatnot. So starting from towards the mid to the end of February into March, and maybe even April, we are going to be creating sneakers. Now, this is where I want you guys to help me out. I'm making these courses because they are pre-scheduled, meaning that I'm not making them because someone has ordered that kind of shoe from me. I'm making them because I'm already committed to you guys to make them. So it's going to cost me quite a bit. My estimates are that it's going to cost me quite a bit. I'm going to have to personally pay for the materials that I'm using to create these courses. The cost of data, the cost of shooting it, the time, the cost of the materials, the soles, the leather, the lining pieces, electricity, everything really just adds up. So I need your help. If you think that you can make a donation, just a contribution, the amount you choose to do is up to you. You could use a link somewhere around there or there, I'm not quite sure. So use the link to make a donation. I would also link that link in the description. That will go a long way in helping us to bring these courses and these videos to you. Beyond that, in addition to the donation, the boots, the shoes that we are making, the sneakers that we are going to be making in the course of the Sneak Attack are going to be made to the highest quality that we can make. So we're going to be using premium materials, we're going to be using premium sole materials, and we're going to be making them to the uttermost of excellent quality, and we're going to be making them in different sizes. So how it's going to run is that at the end of each class, we're going to auction the shoes that we made. Typically what I do is when I create courses and make shoes that no one has ordered, I typically just keep them for myself or my kids. So that's why you see many times I'm making kids shoes to demonstrate some of these things, or I'm making things that are my own size. Now I've built up a whole lot of shoes that I can't possibly wear all of them. So I'm going to start auctioning the shoes that I create in these classes. So if you want to participate in the auctions, look out for that. We'll finish creating the shoe and then we auction the end product. So someone might stand a chance. So if it's a shoe that costs, let's say, $100 for instance, $50 for instance, we'll probably auction it for you probably participate in the auction for just about $5. And of course several people will bid, and then the highest bidder takes the shoe. We are also going to put some of them on sale. Some of the shoes we're also going to put on sale, and you could choose to purchase some of them. Of course, we will basically be selling the shoes at cost price, so we're not adding any major markup. So yeah, that's how we plan to sell the shoes. So the advantage is you're supporting us for, you know, putting out these videos, and also you're also buying for yourself fine shoes, fine sneakers, and, you know, stuff that's good for you, really. One more thing, you need to register for the class, and then to stand a chance to bid for the footwear, to bid for the shoes or sneakers, and then also to be in the loop to, you know, make an offer to purchase the shoes. So register and get ready for Sneak Attack. So that's how we're going to run. The auctions are going to be open, but it's not open yet. Of course, we won't start auctioning until we show you exactly what it is that you're bidding for. So the auctions will be live when we make the first shoe. So look out for that and participate in that. That's also your way of showing support for the channel and keeping us here and helping us grow. I trust that you're going to have an exciting time with Sneak Attack, and I trust that you too are keeping well, improving on your craft just as we are improving. We are also learning quite a ton of things. And until I see you guys next time, have a good one and God bless you.